how to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. So let's get started. Setting your Windows PC to a display scale higher or lower than the recommended value can also cause the Roblox cursor to go off screen repeatedly. To avoid this, it is best to set the display scale to the recommended value. To do so, all you have to do is press the Windows key I to open the Settings app and head to the System and tap on the display. Under Scale and Layout, click the drop-down menu next to the scale to select the recommended value. If the previous step does not work, then several users on a Microsoft community post reported experiencing the cursor going off screen issues while playing the Microsoft Store version of Roblox on Windows. If you are using the same, try to download the Roblox game client from the official website and see if that helps. Press the Windows key S to open the search menu. Type Roblox in the text box and select Uninstall. Now select Uninstall again to confirm. Wait for Windows to remove Roblox and download the Roblox installer again. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to finish installing Roblox. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.